Today I'll show you how to use Chrome's new split view so you can see two tabs side by side in a single window. This is great when you're researching, taking notes, or comparing two pages, and I'll include the steps to enable it if you don't see it yet. First, make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. Open the three-dot menu in the top right, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates and relaunch if needed. As you can see, mine is already updated. To create a split view from a tab, open the page you want on one side. Then right-click the tab header at the top of the browser window. Choose a tab for the new split view. The tab you clicked will move to the left side, and the right side will show a selection pane where you can pick another open tab. You can also create a split view directly from a link. Right-click any link inside a web page and select Open Link in New Split View. That will open the linked page on the other side without leaving your current view. Once Split View is active, both pages work independently inside the same browser tab. Click inside the left or right pane to give it focus, and the address bar and split view icon will change to show which side is active. Use the address bar to load a new URL into the pane you have selected. To resize the panes, move your mouse over the vertical divider between them until the cursor changes. Then click and drag left or right to adjust how much space each side gets. This makes it easy to give more room to the page you need to read or edit. Look for the split view icon near the address bar, usually showing two small boxes. Click it to open a menu with options like swap or reverse views. Close the left or right pane, or separate the views back into two full-width tabs. You can also right-click the split view tab header to find similar controls. This feature groups two pages into one logical tab, which can help keep your tab bar cleaner while allowing real multitasking. Try it next time you need to compare pages or keep a reference open while you work. If you want more tips on using Chrome or need a quick walkthrough of any step, let me know, and I'll make a short video guide.